Hope y'all had a wonderful 2023. As we embark on this new year, I just only wish you guys nothing but good relationship, good friendship, genuine love, peace, happiness, and all that good stuff. What I'll say is, welcome back to my channel. Today, what I'm going to be doing is I got a PR package. I was actually shocked because I was just like, me, who am I? But no, seriously, I got a PR package from Good Molecules. Wonderful box right here, as you can see. But yeah, I was actually shocked. Like, I got an email from the marketing team, and they were like, oh, they wanted me to send me some products. And basically just to kind of do like track progress, just to see, you know, what my skin has been doing. And wonderful box right here, as you can see. But yeah, I was actually shocked. Like, I got an email from the marketing team, and they were like, oh, they wanted me to send me some products. And basically just to kind of do like track progress, just to see, you know, what my skin has been doing. And then pretty much also to like give them any concerns. I'm someone who deals with PCOS, and I'm gonna talk about the PCOS in another video, but I'm someone who deals with PCOS, so the symptoms that comes with that PCOS, it's very annoying. My skin be super dry, my hair be super dry. Like, even with my hair, it needs to be shampooed. Bad, real bad. But I was really excited. At first, I was like, are y'all trying to scare me? But y'all for real. So, without further ado, let's see what's in this beautiful box. So, plus, this is what they gave me. Which they were pretty generous. I'm over here thinking probably it's gonna be like them 1 ounce bottles, but no. They did their thing. So the first box is a lightweight daily moisturizer. This one, I'll show you. Next, this is the niacinamide brightening toner. This one next is the hyaluronic acid serum. As you can see, cute box. Last but not least, the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I want the skin to be very plump, you know, very fine, less wrinkles, you know, the whole shebang. This is pretty much what the box is. In my next video, I will be talking about how I found out I had PCOS and what I'm doing to take care of it. So thank you guys for watching. I think I'm going to also show how I put these on. So I'm a little rusty, y'all. Don't expect too much, but I'm a little rusty. But we gonna get there. All right, guys. So I wanted to show you guys pretty much how I do my skincare routine. So pretty much, as you can see, I'm in my bathroom. It needs a lot of work, but it's okay though. It's the new year, so we're gonna change some things up. What we're gonna do, I have this glow scrub that I bought from the African market. I am Nigerian, by the way. I am your Niger sister, but it's wet. It is wet. I like to code switch every now and then, so don't mind me. But yes, I bought this at the local African supermarket. So it's a turmeric glow scrub. I think this shit was about a good $15, if I'm not mistaken. But it's from Nigeria. I pretty much like it. I like what it's been doing for my skin. So I will be starting this off first with the scrub. course, last but not least, the moisturizer. Right, just so last but not least, is in the Black Girl sunscreen, SPF Last. So your girl is done with the whole skincare. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. Yeah, so of course this is not a one-time thing. I'm going to be doing this almost every day just to see how well my skin has improved, and of course with changing up my eating along, you know, to help my skin as well. So thank you guys. I will see you in my next video.